Welcome to Pagala Campus, the home of talented and skilled students of the Polytechnic University of the City of Baliwag.
Magandang buhay, Bitikenyos! Ngayong araw, nandito tayo sa Pagala Campus upang ipakilala at ipakita ang kagandahan ng minamahal naming paaralan. So tara at samahan nyo kami! Isa ito sa ginagawang pahingahan ng katulad namin mag-aaral. Isa din ito sa nagiging sandingan sa tuwing kami ay mag-aaral. Dito sa Pagala Campus lamang ito makikita.
Ito ay isa sa mga gusali na pinapasukan ng mga estudyante dito sa Pagala Campus.
Dito sa Pagala Campus, may mga kasalukuyang ginagawa na gusali na maaaring gamitin sa hinaharap at mas mapalawak pa ang Pagala Campus.
The Pagala Campus has several hats that can be used for relaxation and study. There are also ongoing construction projects for new buildings that will be able for use in the future.
Na espasyong ito ginaganap ang iba't ibang uri ng aktibidad. Dito rin ginaganap ang pagdiriwang ng paaralang Dalubasaang Politekniko ng lungsod ng Baliwag.
Dito sa Pagala Campus ay marami kang makikitang mga mahuhusay na guro at mga estudyante.
The Pagala Campus is a popular venue for BTech events, and it is also home to many dedicated and talented teachers and students.
Dito sa Pagala Campus, ito ang aming silidaklatan. Maaari ka dito magbasa ng iba't ibang uri ng aklat.
Ito naman ang laboratory ng matematika. Dito pinag-aaralan ang iba't ibang uri ng matematika, kagaya na lamang ng arithmetic, geometry, physics at iba pa.
Ito ang silid ng kimika at dito ginagawa ang iba't ibang uring eksperimento at dito nag-aaral ang agham at teknolohiya.
Pagala Campus boasts excellent facilities to support diverse learning needs. A well-stocked library and specialized labs like chemistry and math provide ample resources for research and hands-on learning. Student benefits from the supportive environment fostering academic inquiry. The campus commitment to providing these resources reflects its dedication to student success. This comprehensive approach ensures students excel in their chosen field. Pagala Campus continue to be improved and expanded, boasting high-quality faculty and state-of-the-art facilities. Its commitment to excellence ensure a thriving learning environment and continuous growth promises an even brighter future for students and the wider community. The investment in infrastructure and teaching staff reflect a dedication to provide a superior education experience, one that fosters innovation and prepares students for success in their chosen fields. This commitment to progress position the Pagala Campus as leading institute attracting talented individuals and contributing significantly to the region's development.